Hey young historians, Mr. Moran here, and today we're going to focus on Article 3 in the Constitution. So far, you've learned about Articles 1 and 2. Article 1 talks about the legislative branch. Article 2 focused on the executive branch or the president. Now we're moving to Article 3, and that's the judicial branch. And you can see an image there of the Supreme Court. And the judicial branch focuses on the Supreme Court and the duties of the judicial branch. So, Alexander Hamilton, the guy in the $10 bill, wrote in Federalist 78 that the judicial branch was the weakest of the three branches of government. He thought this because, among other reasons, the judicial branch depends upon the executive and or the legislative branches to support their ruling. After all, there is no army or police force that is part of the judicial branch, like in the executive branch. And also we're going to focus on Article 4 that focuses on the powers of the state and how the federal government relates to the states. So today we're focusing again on Articles 3 and 4. So what you will learn is understand what are the important parts of Article 3 and 4, and understand the role of the Supreme Court in the federal system. So what you're going to be doing is there's two videos you're going to view and complete a short quiz. The first video will be about Article 3, the judicial branch, and the second video will focus on Article 4. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your teachers, shoot me an email, and I can help you out. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye.